来看英国研究人员发现，讲海水温度变悬哦，草条啊鱼竟然会自动变较细只，这个物件嘛较少，吸收酸素的效率煞会当来提悬哦。这嘛是头一届伫山澳大的鱼类发现这款适应环境的能力。
I'm gonna get you.
I'm gonna be your best friend. Good feelings gone.
海地总动员动画主角，俗称小鸟仔鱼的尼莫，身材正高水，身躯顶有白色橄榄色的花纹，是制作箱内面正受欢迎的鱼。研究人员经过半年观察了后，发现小鸟鱼的身体竟然有一种特异的功能。
Something started happening with the numbers of our measures that was very confusing. And we kept looking at our methods and everything was okay. And it turns out that these fish were actually shrinking. Now, this is something that was really surprising because most vertebrates go in one direction with their growth. They might stop growing at some point in their life, but they don't usually go backwards. There are some other vertebrates that we know this from, but it's still very rare.
研究人员观察134只小鸟仔鱼，发现有101只会伫咧海水温度悬过平均达4度的时阵，自动将身体揪较细只，就讲那是建立节能的模式来适应环境的变化。
But it's possible that because it's hotter, there's less food around. And also smaller individuals are more efficient at foraging or at eating. So being small helps because you need less energy.
身体较细，食的物件较少，体型较细只，吸收水内氧气效率也较悬。所以看做小鸟仔鱼对气候变化生存能力正强。研究人员也阁想要进一步了解小鸟仔鱼身体揪细这种生理过程的背后，是食的物件无够，海水的温度也是有多一寡荷尔蒙的影响。因为全世界有28种海葵鱼。这个研究其他种类，才让知影讲，是不是只有生做像尼莫的这种小鸟仔鱼，才有这种物竞天择、适者生存的能力。公司新闻王如梅编辑。